Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed SlideShare slide into WordPress with Beaver Builder. So here's our WordPress dashboard. Let's go to pages and find the page or post where you wish to insert the SlideShare slide. So we are going to edit this sandbox page. Okay, now the next thing would be to launch Beaver Builder. Okay, once the Beaver Builder is launched, what we'll do is we will basically go to SlideShare website and find any random slide to embed. So here's CB Insights, and as you can see they have this slides of total 13 slides, and there is embed button, so click on that. Okay, and here you can choose the size you wish to embed and copy paste this iframe code module button, and then simply click on that and drag and drop HTML module. Okay, now here I can paste that iframe. Okay, simply save this and then you can hit publish. Once the page is published, you will be able to see your SlideShare slide. Okay, so you get the idea how to add a SlideShare slide with Beaver Builder HTML module.